Are you looking for a fun and colorful dessert for a birthday party but don't have much time? Let's make a no-bake sprinkle cheesecake. It's super easy to make and looks absolutely beautiful. Let's get started. First, use a hand mixer to whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. This usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, set it aside. In a large bowl, combine the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and banana extract. Use the hand mixer to blend until fully incorporated, scraping down the sides as needed. This usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Add the sour cream and continue mixing for another minute. Now, bring back the whipped cream. Gently fold it into the mixture using a spatula. Add your favorite sprinkles and gently fold them into the mixture. Once the mixture is ready, pour it into a ready-made pie crust and smooth out the top. Place your cheesecake in the refrigerator and let it set for at least 6 hours. Let's make the whipped cream topping. Sprinkle the gelatin into the warm water. Stir well and set it aside. In a medium bowl, combine the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and banana extract. Mix with the hand mixer for 30 seconds. Then pour in the gelatin mixture and continue mixing until soft peaks form. Transfer the stabilized whipped cream into piping bag and set it aside. Take the cheesecake out of the refrigerator and decorate it with the whipped cream, creating cute swirls around the cake. Sprinkle more sprinkles on top. It's time to cut the cake. The cheesecake is super creamy and delicious. You won't be able to resist bite after bite. I hope you enjoyed this cheesecake. See you next time.